And if you are looking to start a stream of income and in the digital marketing space, because it's going into, if not already, I believe it is $1 billion industry, and everyone's getting their hands in it. If you have a creative side, if you've written a book, I mean, if you know how to do hair, you know how to do makeup, guess what? You can make a digital download for it and resell it. And it teaches you how to do all of that. But if you don't know how to do that, then there's a lot of done for you products already on the inside. So let's get to it. Let me show you. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about the Digital Boss Academy, digital marketing. This is a PLR course, MRR, Master Resale Rights course, but it is more than that, ladies. I'm going to share my screen today just to let you know the value that you get. When I first got in back in June, late June of 2024, there was only almost 6,000 members. Now they've grown it to almost 21,000 members. When I got in, there was only volume 1, and that was for beginners. Now there's volume 2. And with volume 2, you get volume 1. And now there's volume 3. And with volume 3, it's a lot more advanced, but you get all 3 volumes. And volume 3 is an affiliate. So you make money off of the affiliate part of volume 3. Volume 1 and 2, it's still 100%. You resell it, you get 100% of the profit. There's a lot of done for you stuff in here, and I'm only going to share just a short bit of it with you so that you can just not take my word for it, but that you can see it for yourself. And if you are looking to start a stream of income and in the digital marketing space, because it's going into, if not already, I believe it is $1 billion industry, and everyone's getting their hands in it. If you have a creative side, if you've written a book, I mean, if you know how to do hair, you know how to do makeup, guess what? You can make a digital download for it and resell it. So here is volume 1, and here it shows you how to set up your online store, how to launch. You join DBA, what do you do now? And here's how to launch. And then here's what's on the inside, step-by-steps of how to get your self-launched. And then just here to set up your online store, it is a real step-by-step guide as far as the platform. Pick a platform, and here's all the platforms that you can choose as far as your online store. Create a Stripe account. The DBA logo, you can change it to your brand. The PDF as far as how to allow people to get in. Let's see. And there's a done for you also store setup. If you do not, want to go through the hassles of setting up your store, then you can get it set up. Of course, there's a payment for that, but you can get it set up. So just to show you all just what's in here. There's the FTC guidelines because they want to make sure everybody is compliant, with, their business. And then building your bomb brand. How do you build a brand? And so there's a step-by-steps in there as well. And then there's, so much in here. Some of the stuff I already knew how to do. So I've not gone through all of it. But then that was building the bomb brand, digital marketing, training, learn how to market and how to use content strategies. Come on, look at this. And then there's different things in each one. There's example reels, there's lots of videos. And now with volume 3, they actually have training and classes, which I really do appreciate. And here's a master in social media. And then here's all 3 volumes right here. Here's volume 1, which we were just talking about. This is everything that's in volume 1. And I'm just going to take you through this just a little bit, not showing you everything, but mindset videos. There's prayer. And then even in here, there's calendars, and this calendar didn't used to be full, but there's so much training in here now. And this is just for December. And so back to, volume 1, and PLR Vault, my favorite. and the content vault. One of these are my favorite two that I go in. As you can see, I've completed this one 100% because there's a lot of done for you products in here. And here's the PLR vote where there's done for you, and here as well, where you can resell what's already there, and you can resell it for whatever price you choose to, put it in your store, and then you can have them resell it too. I mean, whatever you choose to do, but there's so much in here. Content inspiration. Now, you don't want to copy what somebody's doing, but this is inspiration so that, there's other people's content in here and you just get a little bit of inspiration from what they're doing. Then there's the replay vault. So there's a Zoom calls that we have, trainings that we've had webinars, but it's all in here. The replays are in here. Then here's customer support. And this is new. Celebrate your wins awards that they're going to start doing. And check this out. There is Spanish module, French module, and a Somali module. Of course, I don't speak any of those languages, so I don't really go into those. And that's to help those that have that language. But there is so much. And then what I do love, let me show you the community here before I go to volume 2. And the community is here where people post, DBA Volume 3 updates. This is where everybody posts in here, and they're asking questions. And here is share your wins. A lot of people are, they're new. And then there's a win here. And look at this, 127 sales in 64 days. That is amazing. Making money online in my sleep. My store set up. Grand Rising, I have my store set up. Yay. Just the little wins are something big. And then just, all of these wins in here is just amazing. 6 figures in 43 days. Now, that's amazing. So that is, the community. And over here, it's 21.7 thousand members now. And currently there's 130 people online, 31 people online. So back to the classroom to volume 2. Now, volume 2, you get volume 1 and 2. And here is, there's welcome, give customers access, how to give customers access to get in. There's TikTok Shop, Pinterest, and so much in here. Shopify, LinkedIn, becoming a travel agent, faceless marketing, which I started a faceless channel on Instagram and TikTok and grew my TikTok in 2 months to almost 3,000. And it worked so much better. There's wholesale, Turo business, YouTube, how to start your YouTube channel. There is just, ladies and gentlemen, men in marketing, there's just so much. Amazon KDP, if there is a business that you have thought about doing, I'm sure that it's probably in the Digital Boss Academy. And back to, now we're going to the DBA Volume 3, which there is a lot in here as well. And like I said, the value, and I'm going to give you the value of what you get here is, is uncompared. So understanding, an affiliate program, because DBA Volume 3 is an affiliate program. How to add it to your store, Stand Store, because whatever platform you have, and then there's more here. There's theme pages, how to boost your sales, how to buy land and bank-owned properties. Here's Amazon reviews, medical courier business, starter coaching and mentoring business, which I have one of those, and it's even in here. And I paid thousands of dollars for mine about 10 years ago, but it's in here. So start a 6-figure tax company, corporate funding, just podcasting, anything that you have thought of doing, I'm sure that is in here. 7-figure daycare biz. OMG, how to start your own credit repair. I believe that's this credit repair company. So I just wanted to show you all of this, and now I'm going to stop sharing. Now I'm going to give you the cost of getting into this program and starting your digital marketing business or your online business, whatever you want to do. It's probably in here. Volume 1, if you just want to be the beginner and have MRR rights, master resale rights to resell this program, is $111. And volume 2 is $222. Come on now. You seen what you get, right? $222. In volume 2, you get volume 1 as well for $222. And volume 3 becomes the affiliate, and you get volume 1, 2, and 3. You can't beat that. $444. It's an affiliate, so you get 80% of the profit if you resell volume 3. So if you are, looking to get into digital marketing, or like I said, something in the realm of online business, this is for you. Go ahead and check out the link in my bio, or I'll put it somewhere in the description as well, and get your business started. Sis, you got this. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.